How to make and safely use an antifungal vinegar foot soak. How to make and safely use an antifungal vinegar foot soak. Hey there and welcome! Today, we're diving into an incredible all-natural remedy your feet will thank you for, the antifungal vinegar foot soak. If you're dealing with fungal infections and foot odor, or just want softer, healthier feet, this video is for you. Vinegar is not just for your salads. It's a powerful, natural antifungal treatment. Its acidity lowers the pH of your skin, creating an environment where fungi struggle to survive. Let's go over what you need to make this foot soak. What you'll need. Here's what you'll need for your soak. A large foot basin or bowl. 1 cup of white vinegar or apple cider vinegar. 4 cups of warm water. Optional, 1/4 cup of Epsom salt for soothing properties. Essential oils like tea tree or lavender for antifungal and relaxing benefits. Pro tip, use clean, warm water, not hot, to avoid irritating your skin. Now let's make it. Start by cleaning your foot basin thoroughly. Mix 1 cup of vinegar with 4 cups of warm water. Add Epsom salt and a few drops of essential oils if you like. Stir well, and you're ready to soak. Soak time, 15-20 minutes. Find a comfortable spot and soak your feet for 15 to 20 minutes. This is your moment to relax. Maybe read a book, listen to music, or just enjoy some peace and quiet. Once you're done, pat your feet completely dry with a clean towel. This step is crucial. Fungus loves moisture, so don't skip it. If your skin feels a bit dry afterward, apply a light moisturizer to keep your feet soft. Safety tips for the best results. Here are a few tips to make sure your soak is both safe and effective. Always dilute the vinegar with water to prevent skin irritation. Limit your soaks to 2 or 3 times per week. Avoid using this soak if you have open wounds or highly sensitive skin. And most importantly, if you're dealing with a severe fungal infection, it's best to consult your doctor. And there you have it, your all-natural remedy for healthy, happy feet. Incorporating this foot soak into your routine can help with fungal infections, odors, and even overall relaxation. Don't forget to keep your socks and shoes clean and dry to prevent future issues. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more natural health tips. Got questions or your own foot care secrets? Drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.